to show you guys these Valentines that I received from the company that my kids and I will be using this year to hand out some different gifts to their friends. Everything that you need comes with it so that you can add something fun to it, like a toy. We're planning on making bracelets for my kids' friends and or candy, whatever you want, you could fit into this bag. Everything that you need comes with it to assemble. So you get this like nice size bag that you could put like a toy, you could put candy in it. I wanted to show you the actual size. So it is about, let's see, it is about 5 inches from top to bottom, but the actual size of like putting a toy in it is about 4. So you could put a little toy like pencils, like little erasers. We're doing bracelets, a keychain, definitely candy you could put in there. It's thick. It feels like a nice quality, so it's not going to like rip. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So, which I really like. Some of them you could buy at like, different stores and they feel just so flimsy that they're just going to fall apart. This does not at all. The bag itself is like a really thick plastic. And then here are the designs. Really fun colors. Again, really like nice quality, thick cardstock with really pretty design on it. And then it also does come with the double stick tape. Just the regular tape to tape on the bag. So you can see here, I put the bracelet in and then sealed it and then taped it to the back so that it looks like this. Again, really straightforward, nice quality. Definitely give these a try or pick these up if you need something like this year.